The other day I was thinking, we don't become obsolete suddenly in one day. We become obsolete slowly when we stop learning. And I really refuse to think about that, to think that I'm obsolete or I'm becoming obsolete at 47 years old. One of my fears is not getting older. It's not having to start again. It's more about, it's like becoming someone who used to be creative, who used to be curious about life, who used to be curious about learning new skills. And this is honestly one of the reasons why I'm coming back to this channel. I stopped posting for about 6 months, or probably a little bit more than that. I wasn't excited anymore. The videos I used to do on YouTube weren't really going anywhere. I was trying to do many things. I was trying to doing AI, making AI images, recording. I recorded everything, but I never published anything. Recording, and I don't release anything because I get excited about something and then I'm distracted by another shiny object. I turn my head somewhere else, and that's where I go. And if you are a creative person like me, probably you can relate. And so the question becomes, how do you adapt to all of this without losing your mind, without losing yourself? This channel is going to be about people who refuse to become obsolete, refuse to settle, and especially if you're not 22 anymore and you are perhaps a designer, a teacher, trainer, course creator, a musician, a photographer, and a videographer. Maybe you have years of experience and you have lots of skills under your belt. You look at AI and you think, this is powerful, this is something that I can really use and leverage. This channel probably is going to be about that. With no hype, no shouting, no flooding you with information every day. It's going to be a calm approach, respectful as well towards all of you who are listening. I want to slowly adapt to technology, but at the same time not being hectic about it. I'm not going to pretend that it's easy, but I have to embrace it, even if it's embarrassing. I use Logic Pro, I record my music. I used to be a musician when I was in Rome. I used to play with a band. I used to compose music for theater as well. I like to build things, break things, fixing things, do DIY stuff. But regarding AI, I learned, and I'm still learning about Stable Diffusion, ComfyUI, LTX, image to video, text to video, all these different tools that you can use for your creation. These are tools that I run in my own machine because I still think that we do not need to rely entirely on subscriptions, especially nowadays with AI. You can end up spending hundreds and hundreds of dollars, pounds, or whatever currency you have every month just to use one single task, to create a single short video about something, and it becomes unsustainable. And I think local AI is the way to go, is the way to invest. That's why I'm going to focus as well on this channel. I like the fact that I can control the tool that I have, and I don't want to become like a passive user that I completely rely on AI. AI needs to be just a tool for us, and that's what I want to use it for, just as a tool, not relying 100% on it. A few weeks ago, I recorded a video on Instagram about starting from scratch, about my family moving to Japan. In fact, they are already there, and I have to basically pack up all of these things that you see here, all this pretty nice studio that you see around. It's gonna be gone. I'm not gonna bring it with me, unfortunately. So my settings are gonna be very different when I'm there. So if you decide to keep following this channel, or if you decide to subscribe to this channel and like the video as well, you're not gonna get just random videos. You're gonna experience the entire process that I'm going through. Like, I'm gonna document myself as much as possible. I already did, but I'm going to keep doing it. And you're going to see this in this channel. How I rebuild my setup, how I use local AI, how I use subscriptions as well, and then how I make music, how I compose music using GarageBand, Logic Pro, using my skills, how I test tools, how I research when I discover something, how I decide what is worth learning and what is worth leaving, successes, failures, mistakes, little bumps on the road, and yeah, the whole package. So that is the big reset. Next time I'm gonna show you my local AI setup, the tools that I use to create images, videos, how I structure my prompts, how I create content and digital products. There is a lot to share and to show you. Subscribe if you want to know more about what's gonna happen. Like this video, comment, say hi. So I think I've done. I hope it helps, and I'll see you next time. Bye.